Hi, today I'm running XIAOMI 13 and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint animation on this device. So just to activate fingerprint scanner animation, we should open first the settings and then scroll down to fingerprint face data and screen lock section. Then tap the fingerprint unlock section, drop one from your unlock methods and tap the fingerprint animation. Here's what you know the one from these available animations. Then just go back, let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully activate the fingerprint sensor animation on our XIAOMI device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.